I have my DJI Osmo action camera, and I would suggest this is how we dunk our camera and what steps we take for precaution. When we insert our battery, we make sure we correctly insert it and look for the orange tabs on both sides that they don't show. And we give a nice, firm, solid press. We saw the light come on. We don't see the orange on both of the doors. And then we are going to fully extend the port door if it's been off or if it has been closed, and we need to double check it. So we reopen it, pull it out, put some pressure, and listen for the click. So now the port door is closed, a battery door is closed. What we're going to do now is see if the lens protector is not loose and firmly twisted on clockwise. We are all set, ready to dunk our camera again. The camera is on. It can now go in the water. And we can leave this in the water as long as you want. We are completed with the actual camera dunking. The camera is working. You can see some of the bubbles on the camera. You can actually see it on the side by the speaker, bubbling. Does that mean water is entering the camera? Watching the bubbles. They are slowly finishing up. And our camera is still on, but it still continues to bubble. So we are going to now shake it, try to get all those bubbles out. And we are completed. We are going to dry our camera off. And before we open up anything, we want to make sure there is no water around. We are completed with our inspection of going in water each and every time. So let's open up the battery door, see if any water has gotten into the camera. It is nice and dry. On the seal, it always shows just a little bit of water, not much. Let's look at the port door. And the port is nice and dry. And if we take off our ring, we have to make sure we remove it and water won't be in there. Always finish tapping your camera to get water out any of the holes. So this way, the next time you take video in the air, you won't have any issues of water clogged up in the membrane. There you have it. I hope this video was helpful to one and all.